In this lab project, it is given to type the following text and format is given in the MS Word. Go to the MS Word, type this text, or you can get this typed document from your exercise file. I have already typed this text. Now format the upper part of this document. Select the text, set the line spacing, right mouse click, click the paragraph option and set the line spacing multiple with 1.3. Click the OK button. Now format the subject. Select the text. It is in center align. Click the center align option from the paragraph group. Now its text is white. Click the drop down button of font color. Now select the white color. Now it is highlighted with blue color. Click the drop down button of highlighter and select the blue color. Now it is looking bold in the given document, so highlight this text and click the bold option from font group. Now subject is formatted. Now set the paragraph spacing, highlight the text and right mouse click, click the paragraph option. Now set the paragraph spacing. Before I set 24 point and after I set 24 point. Now format the salutation part. Select the text and set the line spacing. Right mouse click, click the paragraph option and set the line spacing at least 20 point. I set 20 point. Click the OK button. Now to format the body text of the document, select the text. It is in justify alignment. Select the justify option from the paragraph group. Set the paragraph spacing, line spacing and first line indentation. Right mouse click, click the paragraph option. Now set the first line indentation. Click the spatial drop down button. Click the first line and 0.5. It is coming over here. I am agree with this value. Now set the paragraph spacing. Before I set 6 point and I set after 6 point. Now line spacing. Click the drop down button of line spacing. Click the multiple lines and I set 1.3 over here. Now click the OK button. Finally, we have to format the closing part of this document. Select the text, set the line spacing, right mouse click, click the paragraph option, select the multiple option and I set 1.3. It is in right align. We can set this alignment from here. Click the drop down button of alignment and click the right option from here. Now click the OK button. Now our this document is formatted. You have to practice yourself after watching this video.